3, 2, 1.
Which country has the highest population in the world? The answer is B, China. Which is the horrible creature whose name literally translates as goat sucker from Spanish? The answer is D, chupacabra. Which of these is a baseball team based in Pittsburgh? The answer is D, Pittsburgh Pirates. What is the function of a capacitor in an electronic circuit? The answer is B, filtering. What ocean is bordered by Africa, Australia, and Antarctica? The answer is B, southern. What are the three basic parts of an ant's body? The answer is A, head, mesosoma, metasoma. The biggest race of 2006, the Daytona 500, was won by what racer? The answer is B, Jimmy Johnson. Which plant is grown for food? The answer is A, rice. Molds and casts usually form in which type of rock? The answer is C, sedimentary. Which capital is known as the Eternal City? The answer is A, Rome. What is the main concept of Friedrich Nietzsche's Thus Spoke Zarathustra? The answer is B, eternal recurrence. What is the result of completing the square for the quadratic equation x2 plus 4x plus 1 equals x plus 2, 2 plus? The answer is D, D4. The cell walls of fungi are made of what? The answer is B, chitin. What is the theory of evolution named after? The answer is A, Darwinism. What most likely happens when a cold air mass comes into contact with a warm, moist air mass? The answer is B, rain or snow begins to fall. What is the name of the formula that calculates the area of a circle? The answer is B, pi/2. I tell the story of a hobbit's adventure to destroy a ring. What am I? The answer is A, the Hobbit. Which of these people founded the World Wrestling Entertainment, Inc.? The answer is D, Vincent McMahon. An estimated 100 trillion of these live in the gut of an average person? The answer is B, bacteria. I can write without paper and speak without a mouth. What am I? The answer is B. Projector. In which play by William Shakespeare is the character King Claudius introduced? The answer is B. Hamlet. Which vegetable is often eaten raw in salads? The answer is C. Cucumber. The study of how organisms develop is known as. The answer is A. Embryology. Which ocean holds the largest share of Earth's total water? The answer is D. Oceanic Antarctica. What is a swimmer's main equipment? The answer is D. Swim cap. I flow through canyons and mountains. My waters have carved the Grand Canyon. What am I? The answer is D. Colorado River. Which of the following people was a big fan of bowling? The answer is B. Luther. Geiger counters can be used to detect what, in general? The answer is A. Radiation. Who are the only two witnesses to Terry Crowley's murder in the pilot episode of The Shield? The answer is A. Vic and Shane. In what children's game are participants chased by someone designated it? The answer is A. Tag. I have a silver tongue and can change my shape at will. What am I? The answer is A. Proteus. Istanbul is the home city of the most powerful Turkish soccer teams. Which of the following teams is not based in Istanbul? The answer is C. Gençlerbirliği SK. What doctors specialize in diseases stemming from glandular issues? The answer is C. Endocrinologists. What is the number one natural predator for chimpanzees? The answer is D. Leopard. Which mountain has the highest biodiversity? The answer is A. Galapagos. I entertain millions daily, but don't need a break. What am I? The answer is A. TV. A minority of people on Earth use up most of the planet's what, including energy? The answer is B. Resources. The enzyme pepsin plays an important role in the digestion of proteins by breaking down intact protein to what short-chain amino acids? The answer is D. Peptides. The first reported nuclear fission occurred in 1939 when 3 German scientists bombarded uranium-235 atoms with slow-moving what? The answer is C. Neutrons. What makes up the central nervous system? The answer is A. Brain and spinal cord. I have a seat for your backside and many arms to hold items. What am I? The answer is D. Bookshelf. In what year did Ray Harroun win the first Indianapolis 500? The answer is B. 1911. I help you remember your past, yet I wasn't there to witness it. What am I? The answer is D. Psychologist. What are unsaturated hydrocarbons with at least one triple bond between carbon atoms? The answer is A. Alkynes. According to a study published in the Annals of Neurology, people who regularly come into contact with pesticides are 70% more likely to develop what disease? The answer is D. Parkinson's disease. The distance that light can travel in a year is known as what? The answer is A. Light year. What is Princess Fiona transformed into every night as a result of a curse in the 2001 movie Shrek? The answer is C. A monster. Who plays the role of Dwight Schrute on The Office? The answer is B. Rainn Wilson. Which human body systems work together to send messages? The answer is B. Nervous and endocrine. I'm often found near the front door and can be opened with a key. What am I?